So I'm Andy from ASE Custom Motorcycles in the West Midlands UK. Been operating as ASE Custom Motorcycles for almost 2 years now. Sort of build on the experience that I've got of being practical, hands-on, and basically providing a one-stop shop to get your custom motorcycle. The mechanical, the fabrication, the wiring, and any cosmetic work. So we can deliver the full process. So a bit about me. Qualified in a degree in motorsport engineering, moved up to the West Midlands to work for Jaguar Land Rover for about 10 years in the design centre. So that kind of translates really well for when we're customising bikes, because it needs to be a working bike, so you need consideration of all the bits that go into it to make it work. Fortunate enough to tie up with SamcoSport and Racebikebitz. We use DNA performance filters, we use HEL Performance brake lines and brake components, tied up with Mitas tyres. Digital-Speedos. It's really important to us to keep the communication streams open with our clients. And it's very much a two-way process, because you always find that your starting point and your starting brief is kind of never where you end up, and that's just because we normally find better solutions, or we get more inspiration as we go, which is a great thing about making something unique.